Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you Wise versus Revolut versus Monzo, which is better and cheaper. So let's get started. So first of all, we have a link in the description below in order for you to get started right away if ever you would want to use any of these platforms that we will be discussing right here. So we'll be starting this video with an overview among Monzo, Revolut, and Wise. So for Monzo, it is basically known for its user-centric mobile app. Monzo focuses on simplifying personal finance management and budgeting, while Revolut stands out for its multi-currency accounts and cryptocurrency trading options, making it ideal for frequent international travelers and investors. While Wise is previously known as TransferWise, this specializes in international money transfers, offering transparency and cost effectiveness. And now let's move on to the key differences of these three platforms. So for Monzo, the shining feature of this one would be its user friendliness and budgeting tools. As for Revolut, it is basically excellent for international capabilities and cryptocurrency options. And Wise is ideal for transparent, low-cost international money transfers. And now that we know the differences, now let's discuss the features that you can expect from each of these platforms. So first up is Monzo. So Monzo is great for budgeting tools to categorize expenses and set limits. It is also great for instant spending notification and saving pots, and it also supports Apple Pay and Google Pay. It also has the transparent overdraft fees and joint accounts. While in Revolut, you would have the multi-currency accounts with competitive exchange rates. You would also have the fee-free spending and ATM withdrawals to certain limits. Plus, you would have the cryptocurrency and stock trading for premium users. You would also be able to customize security features and premium-looking concierge services. And now for Wise. Wise has the borderless multi-currency accounts with local bank details. It also has the exchange rates at mid-market rate for transparency. It also has the low and transparent fees for international transfers. You can also avail the debit card for spending abroad without high fees using your Wise card right here. So now I'll briefly share my personal experiences using these three platforms right here. So in Monzo, I would praise this for its user-friendly interface and transparency, while in Revolut, I would praise this one for the convenience in international travel and innovative products. While in Wise, this is for the straightforward international transfer and transparent fees, which is what I really like because I can see everything where my money is spent, where it's going through, and so on. Alright, so now let's move on to the pricing of these three platforms. So first up right here is the extra card right here. So it would be £3 per month right here, and the perks would be £7 per month, and the max one would be 17 pounds per month right here, which is 3 months minimum right here. So you can see here in the Monzo website, and then you would have the plans right here. So as you can see, you can get Monzo right here, get extra, get perks, get max, and so on. So these are your features that you would get. And now for Revolut, you can go here, you can pick your plan. You can also have their card right here. You have the Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra. And then you can take your pick right here. So these are the prices of those cards. So from here, you have the standard, which is free, and you won't have an exclusive card, which is when you go to the Plus, you would now have the card. And you have your Premium, Metal, Ultra, and then you can see all of these features right here that you would get along with that card. And now let's go into Wise. And then from here, you can see here in Wise, these are basically their fees. But if you want the card, then we can just go here and click on Wise card. And basically, we can see the cards that Wise offers right here. So here we have the cards. So you can take out cash abroad for free, And so on, these are the features of the Wise card. So all you have to do basically to get this is open a free account in minutes, order a card for a one-time fee of 369 Philippine pesos. So if you convert this into US dollars, it is basically around $8. And then you can start spending with a digital card immediately. So yeah, with Wise, it is very easy. Now let's go to the pros and cons of these platforms right here. Since we know all of their advantages now and their features, let's go for the pros and cons. So first up is Monzo. So the pros of Monzo would be it has a user-friendly interface and effective budgeting tools, while its cons is limited international features and premium perks. Now, on the other hand, Revolut pros is it has extensive international capabilities and investment options. And the cons, limited budgeting features and fees for cryptocurrency trading. And now, on Wise, the pros is competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees, and the cons would be the limited additional banking features compared to Monzo and Revolut. And now let's head on into the conclusion. So the choice between Monzo, Revolut, and Wise ultimately depends on your specific financial needs. So if you prioritize user experience and budgeting, then Monzo is number one for you. But if you are for extensive international features, then Revolut is definitely your champion. And now, if international money transfers are your primary concern, then Wise is definitely a reliable and cost-effective solution. So, which service sounds best to you? Monzo, Revolut, or Wise? Let us know in the comments below. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.